Have you ever wondered how some YouTubers effortlessly churn out a multitude of videos, amassing thousands of subscribers and earning quick money? Well, I'm about to spill the beans and share the ultimate secret to their success right here in this video. It all begins with a powerful method that recently launched channels have been using to skyrocket their growth and revenue. Intrigued? Well, today, I'm about to unveil the step-by-step guide that will revolutionize your content creation game and skyrocket your income. But before we dive in, don't forget to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest money-making strategies right here. To begin our journey into the world of YouTube Shorts, let's take a closer look at two successful channels, Dare to Do Motivation and Visions of Wisdom. These creators have cracked the code to massive success, and we'll explore how they've achieved it. First up, Dare to Do Motivation boasts nearly 2 million subscribers, captivating their audience with 5 to 10-minute motivational stories. Social Blade reveals their impressive earnings, ranging from $493 to a staggering $7,900 per month in YouTube ad revenue. Now, let's turn our attention to Visions of Wisdom, a channel that's only 4 months old, yet has already amassed nearly 5,000 subscribers. Their videos, ranging from 2 to 5 minutes in length, earn them up to $1,100 per month, making this a clear demonstration of the potential for quick success with short-format content. Today, we'll unveil the secrets behind creating these powerful YouTube Shorts using some fantastic AI tools, and the best part? They're all free. Now, why are short videos so compelling, and what sets them apart? Let me break it down for you with some undeniable advantages. 1. Simplicity in production. Short videos are far simpler to create compared to longer formats. 2. Time-saving marvel. By opting for shorts, you can save a considerable amount of time, enabling you to produce more content in less time, thus increasing your overall output. 3. Wider reach. Shorts have a unique potential for going viral, reaching a broader audience than traditional long-format videos. 4. Subscriber magnet. Viewers love quick-to-digest content that gets straight to the point, making short videos more appealing. So, with all these incredible perks, it's no wonder that YouTube Shorts are becoming a goldmine for content creators. And by leveraging the power of AI tools, you too can join the ranks of successful channels. Now, it's time to plunge headfirst into the comprehensive step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Write the story. Alright, it's time to unleash the creative power of AI and craft an engaging story for our YouTube short. We'll be using ChatGPT to help us with this process. First, open ChatGPT and input the following prompt. Suggest 10 short story titles for YouTube Shorts, focusing on the genre of motivation. You can also choose any other genre that suits your content theme. After receiving the list of 10 titles, pick one that resonates with you. For this demonstration, I'll go with Unleashing Potential: The Hidden Spark. The next step is to ask ChatGPT to write me a short one-paragraph story on our given topic while keeping the word count under 120 words. Remember that YouTube Shorts must be under 60 seconds, so we aim for around 120 words to ensure a concise narrative. Copy and paste the topic into ChatGPT, and it will generate a gripping short story for you. Please note that ChatGPT may provide slightly more or fewer words than requested, so be sure to check and adjust accordingly. With our motivational story in hand, we're now set to move on to the next step and bring our YouTube short to life. Step 2. Create the images. Now that we have our captivating script, it's time to elevate our YouTube video's visual appeal. Get ready to meet Leonardo.ai, an incredible tool that will take your content to the next level. Leonardo is an AI-powered website that generates stunning, royalty-free images that you can use in your videos. Let's get started. Sign up for an account on Leonardo.ai to gain access to its impressive image gallery. Take a moment to explore the fantastic images that other creators have already crafted. Clicking on their images will even reveal the prompts they used to generate these visuals, providing you with ample inspiration. To create your image, click on AI Image Generation located on the left-hand side of the website. At the top, paste the first sentence from our ChatGPT-generated story. Leonardo will work its magic and present you with 4 marvelous images to choose from. If you're not completely satisfied with the options, don't worry. You can ask Leonardo to generate more images until you find the perfect match. Once you've found the ideal image, click on it, save it, and you're one step closer to bringing your vision to life. With the image secured, it's time to focus on crafting the captivating voiceover that will complement this visual masterpiece. Before we venture into the next step, if you're enjoying this video thus far, kindly show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more invaluable money-making content just like this. Now, let's press on and dive deeper into the exciting step ahead. Step 3. Create the voiceover. Now that we have our captivating script and visually stunning image, it's time to add the finishing touch with a compelling voiceover. For this, we'll introduce you to Clipchamp, one of the best AI video creation websites with a fantastic free voiceover feature. Clipchamp empowers us to create distinct voices that perfectly match the tone and emotions of our YouTube shorts, all within this AI-powered platform, completely free of charge. With an array of voices to choose from, we can bring our story to life in the most engaging way possible. To get started, let's create a new video in Clipchamp. On the left-hand side, click on Record and Create, then select Text-to-Speech. Now, head back to ChatGPT and copy the text we crafted earlier. Simply paste it into Clipchamp, like so. Here's where the magic happens. Clipchamp offers a variety of languages and accents to choose from. For my video, I'll use English with a UK accent. Additionally, you'll find a selection of different voice names to suit your content style and narrative. Let's take a listen to Sonia.
In a quiet town, a young girl named Lily lived an ordinary life, yet she always felt an unexplained restlessness within her.
Now, let's hear Bella.
In a quiet town, a young girl named Lily lived an ordinary life, yet she always felt an unexplained restlessness within her.
I find Bella quite fitting, so I'll go ahead and click Save to Media. And just like that, our captivating voiceover has been created. With our script, image, and voiceover now in place, we're one step closer to creating an outstanding YouTube short that will captivate our audience. Step 4. Create the video. With the captivating voiceover and the visually stunning image in our arsenal, it's time to bring our YouTube short to life. Let's head back to Clipchamp and import the image we prepared earlier. The process is as simple as a click and a drop. On the left side, I'll hover over the voiceover and click on the plus symbol to add it to our video timeline. Next, I'll do the same for the image by clicking on the plus symbol again. As you can see, the image has seamlessly merged into the video. I can adjust its size, making it larger or smaller to fit the frame perfectly. To ensure our viewers see the image while the audio plays, I'll drag the image layer above the voiceover track. Now, let's take a moment to preview our creation.
In a quiet town, a young girl named Lily lived an ordinary life, yet she always felt an unexplained restlessness within her.
Fantastic! I'm quite pleased with the outcome, but I believe adding some music will elevate the video's overall impact even further. Clicking on Music and Sound Effects, I can explore the selection of free music available. After listening to a few, I've found the perfect piece that complements my video. To include the music, I'll click on the plus symbol once more. Now that the music is added, I'll make sure it ends simultaneously with my voiceover for a smooth and professional result. Additionally, I can adjust the background music's volume to ensure it harmonizes with the voiceover, avoiding any overpowering sounds. With all the adjustments in place, I'm now ready to export the final product. And there you have it. Within minutes, we've created a captivating 60-second YouTube short, ready to be uploaded to our channel. The best part? We can easily replicate this process and create 30 or even more shorts every day. As we wrap up this AI-powered money-making adventure, I have one last question for you. Which aspect of creating YouTube shorts are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest tips and strategies for maximizing your income on YouTube.